This is the monthly chart on Fisker, and year to date, Fisker stock is down roughly 75%. However, you can see on the monthly chart, we do have a doji candle for the month of December, which signifies indecision, which potentially signifies a potential reversal that's forming and or taking place. Now, if you go to the weekly chart, you can see the last couple of weeks, price has been range bound or basing. And to end this prior week, we had the candle close green. In particular, Friday, we had a gap higher. So what was the gap higher all about? The jump came after Fisker announced that it produced about 10,000 Fisker Ocean USVs in 2023 and said that deliveries had soared by more than 300% in the fourth quarter compared to the third quarter. In a business update released on December 1st, management predicted Fisker would produce just over 10,000 units for the year. So Friday's update confirmed that prior forecasts had been accurate. However, the company had recently revised its production guidance downward twice, more so due to supply chain challenges that led the company to reduce its outlook to 15,000 at the midpoint of a new predicted range back in November. However, the company now says it has largely overcome those challenges. It has delivered about 4,700 EVs in the fourth quarter, up from under 1,100 in the third. Fisker also says it will announce a plan to further accelerate production and deliveries in January. One part of the strategy will be to increase the number of test drive events for potential customers in the US and Europe. Fisker says it has seen higher rates of sales after potential customers are able to try driving the Ocean in person. Investors are happy to see production and sales momentum, and some are buying stock Friday after 2023's massive drop. More important data point, which we will see, is when the company releases fourth quarter financial report. See how much revenue those increasing sales generated. When the report arrives, investors should also pay close attention to how much Fisker has left in the cash equivalents on the balance sheet compared to the $625 million it held as of September 30th. All right, so kind of going back to the charts, you can see the decline in price. However, when you look at the RSI, you can see RSI is making higher lows. Again, potentially signifying a reversal. Now, this dashed line represents $1. I was anticipating price moving down to that dollar level. And that could potentially still happen. Just because we are potentially forming a bottom doesn't mean price won't make a lower low. But all signs are pointing that the lows are in. Again, doesn't mean price can't make a lower low. But when I scroll up to the monthly chart, this doji candle is very bullish. And a potential entry to take it long after your own confirmation. How high can price go in 2025? Well, look for a first target at the $4 level, which will represent roughly a little over 100% return as a starting point. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.